Are you looking for the best 3D printers for small business? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D Printer. If you want a 3D printer with a full-color LCD display, then you've come to the right place. This printer also has an onboard camera with Wi-Fi connectivity. The printer comes in our list because, made with powerful workflow tools, this printer will give you the real experience of printing. You can create simple but superb models with this mighty printer. The Replicator Plus has a stronger infrastructure, a 25% bigger build volume, better print adhesion, and much more to give you a stud performance. The best results come with its smart sensors, streaming cameras, Wi-Fi connectivity, and Z-homing build plate. By using this printer, you have to focus on the design of your model. From now on, you don't have to think about the printing time. With its superb Wi-Fi connectivity, it'll take only a few seconds to make your imagination become alive. Save your design in the browser, then sync it in the MakerBot print application. This free app will let you manage, prepare, discover, and share your projects. The new slicer algorithm will automatically adjust slice settings for the printer model, software version, and smart extruder type. Thus you'll get an optimized printing experience from now on. These MakerBot printers are tested by CDC NIOSH, National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. So, you can breathe freely in your classroom or office. Number 2. ELEGOO Mars 2 Mono MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 2 is a UV photo-curing LCD resin 3D printer. You can make the best resin models for your business by using this printer. This printer comes with a 6.08-inch monochrome LCD that has 2K HD resolution. It's 2 times faster in printing speed and 4 times longer in lifespan. That means it has higher printing efficiency, more stable performance, and less maintenance. The Mars 2 is made with CNC machined aluminum. This printer can offer you excellent heat dissipation performance, a high maintenance rate, and light emission with no spots. It has a very solid build quality with high durability. It's a reliable workhorse for you that ensures every printout comes perfectly. You can replace this printer's tank to increase the lifespan of this printer. CNC machined aluminum body makes Mars 2 a very formidable machine. Newly designed build plate has a much stronger adherence during printing and enables consistent printing success. Mars 2 now supports 12 kinds of languages so customers across the world could operate the 3D printer more conveniently without barriers. The newly added 10 languages are Japanese, Dutch, Korean, French, German, Russian, Italian, Spanish, Turkish, and Portuguese. We provide a 1-year warranty on the whole printer and 6-month warranty for the 2K LCD, FEP film is excluded. And we provide 24 hours customer service. Number 3. Comro Ender 3D Printer. If you need a faster printer that takes the minimum time to reach its maximum heat level, then this Comro printer is the best choice for you. This printer is a perfect choice for beginners. This printer comes with several pre-assembled parts. You'll need only 2 hours to assemble the 20 nuts. This Ender 3 printer has a feature that assists you in resume printing after a lapse. In addition, its upgraded extruder reduces plugging risks and bad extrusion. It can even create a heated bed to reach 110 degrees in only 5 minutes. Before it reaches your hands, this printer goes through strict testing for the key components. Besides, you'll have a lifetime of technical support with this. Ender 3 has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. It comes with several assembled parts. You only need about 2 hours to assemble 20 nuts well. Upgraded extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. V-shape with POM wheels make it move noiseless, smoothly and durable. Only needs 5 minutes for hot bed to reach 110 degree. strict testing for key components before delivery, and lifetime technical supports available.